Hi to all, welcome back to my channel. In continuation of my earlier video foundation layout plan, here I am explaining how to generate circular column reinforcement details along with footing layout. Let us see how to generate the details. I am opening my Excel file. Here I am selecting columns sheet. These are the rectangle columns. In this project I have 3 circular columns 13, 14, 15. 13 member column ID I am assigning as C1, footing ID as F1, 14th member I am assigning as C2, footing ID as F2, 15th member I am assigning as C1, footing ID as F1. Then selecting footing sheet. Here we need to enter the data based on the footing designs. F1 I am assigning as 1500 by 1500 by 450 mm depth. F2 I am assigning 1800 by 1800 by 600 mm depth. For F2 I am assigning pedestal 600 by 600 by 600 mm depth. I am assigning footing bottom reinforcement 10 at 150 mm center to center in both ways. For F2 I am assigning 12 at 125 mm center to center in both ways. If you have top reinforcement you can assign here. I am selecting COL RF sheet. Here by default it is showing only one column. It is looking like rectangle column, but the sizes will take from the column sheet. Here I am assigning column ID C1 up to y is equal to, here we need to enter the terrace level. In my file the terrace level is 9 meters. Here we need to assign the size of the bar. I am selecting 16 mm bar. It is displaying 4 number 16 dia provided. Stirrups it will show 8 at 200 mm center to center by default. If you need you can change the value. I am copying C1, pasting below the C1. There should not be any gap between C1 and C2. Here I am converting C1 as C2. Here I am assigning additional bars 16 mm. So for C2 I assigned 8 numbers 16 mm dia. After assigning these values, I am closing this file. Then coming back to command prompt, I am entering my command DET. This is the main screen. Here I am selecting footing layout. By default text height will be 200. I am changing to 250. Draw in units. By default it will be mm. If you want to draw the drawing in meters, please select meters. If you want to draw the drawing in inches, select inches. I am selecting mm. Click OK. Here I am selecting my Excel file, circular column detail. It will read the data from that Excel file. It is asking pick point for footing layout. I am picking the point. Here it will generate footing layout based on that Excel file. It is asking pick point for column schedule. Here I am picking the point. Here it will generate the column schedule based on that Excel file for all the floors. The task is completed. I am switching off the unwanted layers. If I zoom in, this is the column size. These are the members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For rectangle columns we are not assigned any footing size. I assigned footing size for 13th member C1 by F1. Footing size is 1500 by 1500. C2 by F2 I assigned 1800 by 1800. This is the footing layout. This is the footing schedule. Here it is displaying F1 2 numbers, F2 1 number, size of the footing, depth of footing, bottom reinforcement of the footing, 10 mm at 150 spacing for F1. Pedestal we assigned only for F2, 600 by 600 by 600 mm depth. F1 we are not assigned any value. This is the typical detail of footing. This is the column schedule. We assigned C1 and C2, 380 mm dia. For C1 we assigned 4 number 16 dia. C2 we assigned 8 number 16 mm dia. This is up to 0 meter level. It will show for all the floors 3 meter, 6 meter and 9 meter. This is the final footing layout and footing schedule and circular column details. Like this we can generate n number of column and footing details within a short time.